Hi, I'm Barka Herman from StarTree. Do you want to find anomalies in your data? Let's create an alert in StarTree ThirdEye to do just that. Over in ThirdEye, choose Alert, then Create. I'm going to use the built-in clickstream data for the dataset. Let's say we want to know how many clicks we get per hour and find out when that particular measurement gives us a surprise. Next, we get some charts with sample anomalies to help us pick what algorithm is best suited for our data. For reasons I won't elaborate right now, I'm going to choose the mean variance rule. Load preview to see what our anomalies look like, adjust the sensitivity down a little bit, and reload, and there, that looks great. We have one final opportunity to do some tweaking. Maybe add a filter like ignoring Sunday traffic, let's say. Now we just save this alert with a meaningful name, and voila, you have created an alert. ThirdEye will now be finding anomalies in your data as they happen.